Q1 and Q2 are two like charges. Both are positive or both are negative. So this is origin, the reference. R1 vector starts from origin to Q1 is position vector of Q1 with respect to origin. R2 vector starts from origin up to Q2. This is position vector of Q2 with respect to origin. Both the charges are like, that is why both will repel. Now Q2 repels Q1 in this direction. So direction of F12 is from Q2 towards Q1. Q2 is initial, Q1 is final. F12 is force on Q1 due to Q2. So this force goes from Q2 to Q1. This is final, this is initial. We always take final minus initial. That is R1 minus R2 denoted by R12. R12 is PV, position vector of Q1 with respect to Q2. R12 is position vector of Q1 with respect to Q2. I hope these notations are well understood. Now, F12 force in vector form is equal to small k Coulomb's constant Q1 Q2 upon R12 square R12 caret. This is unit vector in this direction. Which direction? Q2 to Q1. So we know that unit vector of any vector is that vector divided by magnitude of that vector. So this unit vector can be replaced by its vector divided by its magnitude. R12 square into R12. That becomes R12 cube. So this is Q1 Q2 vector R1 minus vector R2 upon mod R1 minus R2 mod cube. So this is Coulomb's law in vector form. Now if you want to find F21, F21, that is force on Q2 because of Q1. F21. It is force on Q2 because of Q1. So its direction is from Q1 to Q2. Q1 to Q2 is the direction of force on 2 because of 1. So this is initial I and this is final F. So final minus initial will be this is final. It will be R2 minus R1. And that becomes R21, position vector of Q2 with respect to Q1. So we take R21 square, R21 caret. That becomes K Q1 Q2 upon R21 square vector upon mode. So both these become R21 cube. That will be K Q1 Q2 R2 minus R1 upon the mode of same subtraction with cube. Now suppose both the charges are unlike. Both the charges are unlike. One is positive and other is negative. So both will attract each other. F21. This is F21. This charge is negative. F21 both will attract. So Q1 will attract Q2 in this direction. So it is force on Q2 due to Q1. The direction is from Q2 towards Q1. This is initial, this is final. Initial, final. So final minus initial will be R1 vector minus R2 vector. This is initial, this is final. Final minus initial. It will be R12 vector. So that will be R12 vector, R12 R12 vector, R12 cube, R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2. Okay. Then Q2 will attract Q1 in this direction. Q2 attracts Q1. So this is F12. Force on F12. Force on Q1 because of Q2. It starts from Q1 and ends at Q2. This is initial I, this is final F. So final minus initial will be Q2 minus Q1. Final minus initial. That will be R21. So F12 is R21 vector, unit vector, R21 vector square cube, R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1. So one more important thing is that in these cases, F12 is equal to F21. Force on 1 due to 2 is equal to force on 2 due to 1. Both have equal magnitudes, but both are in opposite directions. F12, F21. So, magnitudes are equal, but directions are different. Opposite. Directions are opposite. So, these are equal and opposite. Similarly, R1, 2 vector and R2, 1 vector. R12 and R21 vector. Both are equal in magnitude but opposite in directions. Okay. Here in this case, R21 has this direction. R21. So R12 will have this direction. Both are equal and opposite. But magnitudes are equal. So we can say that R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R1 both are not equal. They have opposite directions. But R1 minus R2 vector and mode of this subtraction is equal to R2 minus R1 vector and mode of subtraction. After taking the modulus, we ignore negative sign. So both will have the same direction. So always we have to decide the direction of the force. That will be decided from whether the charges are positive or negative, both are like or unlike charges. Now after deciding direction of the force, we check whether it goes from Q1 to Q2 or Q2 to Q1. From that we know which is final and which is initial. And always we make subtraction of final minus initial. So this was Coulomb's law in vector form. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, keep learning, keep reading and grow in the life.